hear something really cool? It's the last second off.
All of New York City.
Right, toss the eyes over.
We just checked our bags and now we have to go in here.
Not in the house,
Alright, let's go. We checked in, now we just gotta go up to the ship so we can board. Tyler was like, the boat's rocking. My dad goes, I told the big people at the buffet stomping around. Wait, how am I already like done?
Because you're you.
Oh. We brought our own straws so that we didn't have paper straws. Okay, we're done at the bar. Now we're going to our rooms. We're on deck 7. And like we have 4 rooms all together.
Oh, we can see the Statue of Liberty. Perfect.
Right here. Right here.
Straight ahead. Oh, that's amazing.
Here's the view. All of New York City. No, he did not just make that joke.
There's the bridge.
It's not that big.
There's the Statue of Liberty. So you walk in, on the right your bathroom. Nice small shower, toilet, sink, some storage. Here you've got a nice full-length mirror, queen bed that can be pulled apart or kept together, TV. You've got a desk, and then a couch that pulls out, some more storage, safe, balcony. We got cookies in our room already. So like my dad and I's room and like Connor and Tyler's room, I guess, is over here. I don't understand. I thought they were gonna be like across from each other, but apparently not. This is us.
And you're the one we thought.
So you walk in, we have a full-length mirror here. We've got a washroom, a shower, toilet, sink, some storage, nice closet here, safe, little desk, little chair, TV, bed, and then
That's neat how they do the virtual balcony.
we're in the music hall getting drinks. Last time we were on the ship, Brendan would always go there at night to get his drink, and he'd bring the bartender pizza. Sorrento's. Pizza! It wouldn't be a cruise if we didn't go to Sorrento's in the first half hour. We're just in the theater for the mustard grill.
It's gonna be an epic 9-day cruise.
Everyone got lost when we found them all, so now we've sailed away. So this is where we wanted to be for sail away, but we didn't make it here in time. There's the bridge we passed, and then New York City. I think that's like Coney Island. See that like yellowy brownish around the city? That's pollution.
West Coast party, 'cause a West Coast party don't stop. Get more than I like.
Just finished FlowRider and I'm really cold and don't have any shoes. I just want to eat. So it's around 7:30 and we're all ready for dinner. Name a more brighter shirt. I'll wait. And we're just gonna go to the dining room tonight. We literally didn't go to the dining room once last cruise, but this time we are. So let's see if it's good. We also wiped everything down and put everything in the shelves.
No, that was me.
I put everything in the shelves. Got like a nice setup here. Mostly mine.
Get off your ticket today.
We all got our Hawaiian shirts on. We match. True family.
Who's your ankle?
Okay, we're all going to the dining room for 7:45. We're on deck 4. We have my time dining for 7:45. We made it to the dining room. Got buns, the best thing. Save the turtles. I got salad and French onion soup, but I didn't like the soup. Okay. I got the fish. I don't know what fish it is, but I got the fish. Okay, it's done. But
That's it?
I can't see you.
Amy. Alright.
So I got apple pie and everyone got their desserts and now they're ordering 2 desserts. The number one thing I said I wanted to be in I was just explaining how we had to run back to our rooms and finally leave shit. But
Honestly, no lie, that was the worst shit of my life.
I know, and the toilet paper is so bad. But you can't clog in these toilets, which is good.
It's burning.
Because the suction, it'll suck you in. Jeez.
Yeah, that was brutal.
Yeah, we're in 270. We're just gonna go meet up with my parents, and then I think we're gonna go to sleep. They're over here.
Connor, it's done.
watch is pointed at the same time. Every watch will find will be at the same time. 10:10.
I'll take that, but forget it.
This is a mess. We've been waiting for 2 hours, trying to find different people, just waiting around doing nothing. I've been trying to get a van all day. All day.
So my chance to get
Phone got my login.
You paid twice.
Damn
You paid
it!
out and everyone else paid more.
I got him tabbed. No, it's too.
As you can see on our fake balcony, it's nighttime, so I'm gonna call it a night. Day wasn't the best, but it should get better. Good night. Like, what are you doing?
What?
Wakey wakey.